Yes, it was. Oh, imagine the call button.
It's broken. I'm kidding. I'm not gonna be a pussy.
Yeah, this thing
Yo,
just...
if you kill me, dude, if we get stuck,
No.
that's all on you, my boy.
Yes, this thing... No, oh, it is called up. Okay, push P4. Let's try the low and oil. See if it still is.
Bitch, I'm about to hang out tight. Lord, protect me.
Please. Are you kidding me? Bro, they refilled it.
I'm gonna start up here.
Alright.
The vanity suck. Vanity is super good. I thought someone was coughing.
And that is GAL. Oh, shaft light's on. Hold up. Oh my god, that's so under level. Look how under level that is.
Okay.
Is this elevator number 1? Yep, elevator number 1. 2,000 pound capacity. Very, very small. HXPress mod. Mad, I think that's BP, if I am correct.
Motor time.
Sucks this thing isn't loaded on. Look at that up there. You could see up the shaft. Yeah, I think you have to...
My long arms cannot even reach there.
You have to angle this way. You have to angle it this way.
Oh, I see it. There you go. Mad fixtures, 2,000 pound capacity with your 88 phone.
I can't see that much.
This elevator sucks, not gonna lie.
Yeah, I know. This thing just got one like a few years ago. It's gonna need
I'm
it.
gonna end it right here. I don't feel like riding this thing anymore.
Yep.
Parking level 1.
Parking level 1.
Wait, hold on.
Oh, look at all these key switches. I've never seen that before.
You might need to take it up. Alright.
Is there another elevator in this garage?
No, that's it. What's that beeping? What's this?
It's the fire alarm.
Alright, that's it.